So babe, I accidentally call you Jamie because we're at Jamie Oliver restaurant. So how do you think you'll like the ribeye?
I don't know. I need to see how is it, and I need to taste how is it.
Yeah.
I haven't made this one. Yeah, maybe ask him take out this one later. I worry that it will.
It's out again.
They are sorry, they didn't told me that. Maybe that's why it's only half left.
Oh my god. Amazing.
Really?
Yeah. Really good. Yeah. You try to eat it with the pickles?
Anything else I can get you?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's pork and chicken terrine, yeah. That's mustard. Oh.
Thank you so much.
Let me eat the bread.
Yeah. The bread's really good too. It's like very crunchy, but really soft on the inside.
Now we settle down.
Ooh.
Nice. I went to say pilots. Sorry, man. We just first got one football. Since I left, I stopped playing because in my ethnic club. But since my year left, we've started on yeah. Small world. How we doing?
Good?
Really good. I'm gonna try the fries. Solid.
Sorry?
Solid.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a little bit bigger than regular fries in the US. Good. Still pretty good.
Good.
Yeah?
But if you compare with Golden Steer, Golden Steer is better.
Sure. This is not really like a steak restaurant, but just interested to see like what the ribeye is like, you know? Try it with the béarnaise sauce and see if there's like, if it makes it better or it's about the same or maybe not as good.
Let's try with this one.
Yeah.
But this one's good too.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
That's my luck, buddy, but